you got shotgun again!
Carl, you have to call it fair and square.
It's weird that you're always thinking about it.
Well, I really like shotgun. I'm good at it.
No! Oh my God! Oh, thank God that wasn't me. Oh, sweet Jesus. Thank you for preventing me from sneezing.
Rachel,
oh, thank God.
It was just a sneeze. I'm totally
Oh,
fine.
Hey, everything's okay, honey, all right? Don't freak out.
my God.
She has this thing with sneezing while driving.
This thing? Dave, it is not a thing. Sneezing is the most dangerous thing that can happen to a person. Do you know your heart actually stops? You lose complete control of all your senses.
Rachel, I'm not sure that's true. I don't think your heart actually stops.
I'm sorry. It's just my biggest fear. Ever since I shot Deb Foster's toe off while hunting in college.
Rach, you sneezed, but you were holding a loaded weapon with the safety off and pointing it at your friend.
Everything you hold is a lethal weapon if you sneeze. Right? It's like taking the safety off on life. Okay. Talking about it just makes me feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Okay.
Hey, you want to pull over or something? Like,
right now? You like that, Carl? Then you can have shotgun. Yeah, nice try.
Donna, she is hyperventilating. I'm not trying to get in the front seat.
Okay, I can't pull over. If I pull over, I'll sneeze. That's all right. I can beat this. All right, Donna, quick, switch with me. What?
No!
Rachel!
Oh, it's contained.
Rach, you almost got us killed.
I know. I almost sneezed. I just need to calm my nerves. You know, a sneeze can go as fast as 100 miles an hour. I'm barely driving it.
Wait, are you drinking liquor? Please, no. Hey, how about we just pull over and switch
Jesus,
now? The car
Carl,
is
if you
stopped.
want shotgun that bad, you can have it. I'm terrified up here.
I don't want shotgun. I want out of here.
Okay. Oh, it's coming again. Okay, I'm gonna drive on the shoulder until it passes me. No, Rachel, that is not a good idea. Be careful, honey. Okay? If I sneeze while driving on the highway, I'll get us killed.
Honey, don't you have like some sort of like thing that prevents you from sneezing? Is that a trick?
Oh, yeah. Great idea. My great aunt Diane taught me to drink some water and lift my feet up above my head.
Whiskey's not water. No, whiskey's not water.
Those cars just crashed behind us.
Everybody, don't worry. I'm gonna keep us safe. I have to think of how. All right, wait. Hey, you can't sneeze if you're asleep. Good night.